What's up, y'all? Today's tip has to do with tires and a date code on the tires. So everybody knows there's a size on the tire, the wheel size, how wide it is, all that. But also on tires, there's a date code. And this comes because a local dealership wanted to sell my girlfriend tires that were 5 years old. And he knew they were 5 years old because he offered to give them to her for $30. So you might be thinking you're getting a good deal when in fact you're getting a bunch of junk because it's been sitting on the shelf way too long. So don't let dealerships do this to you, or tire dealers, or anyone. Anytime you're looking at a tire or about to buy tires on the phone or something, ask for the date code. You can see this particular tire was manufactured in 2012. So just keep an eye on that, guys. When you go to buy tires, make sure that you're getting what you think you're getting. Well, that's it for this week, guys. This is 12 o'clock, and remember, I can't guarantee your work. This is just the tip.